So Pinto, take more. Haputan nale.
No.
Kya?
I don't eat at home, but
Mabuhay Philippines!
Namaste India. Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs.
Please subscribe to our channel!
Like and share. Salamat. So hello guys.
Today guys, we prepared macaroni fruit salad. So this is their first time to try this salad. They don't know yet if this is sweet or spicy. So they are really curious and let's see their reaction. Okay guys, I'm excited to see their reaction.
Before we start, I want to tell you this is one of the very delicious Filipino dish. Yes. So we just want to see your reaction as an Indian. Do you like this Filipino dish or no? Because my husband is trying best here.
Be honest your reaction. If you
Yes.
don't like, just say I don't like. Yeah.
Okay.
Honest lang.
Alright. So let's.
So ayan guys, they're starting to eat na our macaroni salad, macaroni fruit salad. So Shama is serving them now. Look, Shama prepared this last night.
Yes, I prepared this last night.
So Nini is eating. Sina, this is your first time, yeah? Hopefully you will like it. And Sima is there, baby. And Pinto, this is Pinto, a first cousin of Shama. And Rumita is her wife. She is from Manipur.
And
it's delicious.
Really? Oh my god. That is good.
Delicious.
So we will ask them one by one their reaction, yeah?
Okay.
So enjoy it, just enjoy.
carry on guys.
Carry on. Dad is there, Dad is eating, yeah? Yeah, sit down, Dad, sit down. So let's see the reaction later. Baby. Keyon knows many Filipino food, yeah? He knows many Filipino food. Come on, look here. Okay. Very nice. You haven't tasted? Very nice. How about Nina? I will ask Nina first reaction, yeah? Oh my. Oh, I think this is second time for Nina.
Oh, it's
Look, it's alright. Look on the floor. Nina, sit down and enjoy it.
Look, she's enjoying from her activity, you can say.
This is your second time, Nina?
Yes.
Oh my God, I think she like it. It's good. This is Filipino food. You're Filipino.
So guys, before starting our reaction, I want to give quick introduction. He's my cousin. My first cousin. We call him at home Pinto. You can call him Pinto.
You know, one sec. Sorry to disturb you. You know Pinto in Philippines?
Door. And this is my Bromita. She look like little bit Filipino, but she is Indian. She is from Manipur. And
Pure Indian, yeah? They are pure Indian.
And Sheena, I want.
Oh my God,
nice.
Sheena.
It's nice.
So guys, what is this now? You find out now what is this? This is what, sweet or this? Okay, I will.
Ice cream.
Yes, this is one of Filipino sweet.
Sweet. This is Filipino sweet.
Filipino
It's
sweet.
very tasty and delicious.
Okay, so let's see. Huh?
Very super good.
Really? Really?
Yes.
Okay, let's start to Rumita, ladies first. Rumita, what is your? Tell me honestly, yeah, honestly.
Yeah, I'm telling the truth is very tasty and yummy. I like to have one more bowl.
One more bowl.
You can have.
Do you notice what are those
Yeah.
ingredients? Are you?
Milk, then milk cream,
Yes.
macaroni and
What are those?
Fruit, grapes, cherry.
cherry.
Yes.
Then cheese in there.
Do you know where we buy this? These fruits?
Is it in available? Is it in my market?
No. We bought this in Amazon.
Oh, from Amazon.
This is fruit cocktail. This is in can.
Can.
Yeah, in can.
This is a can.
Because there is no available here in our Nagyat. I don't know in Ahmedabad, but only available in Amazon.
Like fruit
Very
cocktail.
tasty.
Yes, taste.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. How about Pinto? Oh, I think he wants more. Shall I give him more? Napapasarap si Pinto. Okay. So enjoy it, enjoy, and
It
then
is too good.
really?
Oh my
Are you
God.
sure?
Good.
So my hard work worked.
This is his first time
First time to try
yeah.
Filipino dish.
I'm eating this first time, but it is too good.
Too good. Thank you, Pinto. Yeah, too good. Look, Sina. Sina is. Do you like?
You want? You want more?
Maybe. No, 2 times because it's your first time. Just 2 times. Later again. Because we don't know, you will get tummy ache. But how about Shania? I know. Sina. How is Filipino dish sweet?
You like it?
It's like and so yummy also, and I like ice cream.
Like ice cream. Oh, but it's yeah. It's similarity with ice cream. Nina, okay? You're right.
Shania, do you
Okay.
like it?
She like it, but now she's
Because
she's full now. She's full now. Mm.
So,
Anyway, Dad, ma'am taste before a fruit salad, yeah? This is we just put macaroni. So how is ma'am? So, second time. Ma'am, masarap?
masarap.
This is second
કેવું
time.
લાગ્યું
Good.
તને ટેસ્ટમાં સારું છે સારું છે
Saru. Saru it means what? Saru means
સારું means good taste.
good. There you go. Okay. How about Sima? Anyway, Sima tastes a fruit salad, so I think she will like this.
Nice, delicious. Second time.
Ah.
Always like Filipino food.
Thank you, Sima.
Guys, everyone eat 2 times. It means
And look,
It is
sorry,
delicious.
it's almost finished. They will like it because fruit salad, they like it. Now we just put macaroni.
macaroni. So that is nice. How about you? I will give you.
Yeah, just.
No, otherwise it will
We
finish.
have still more.
No, we still have.
We still have.
And that, how is this macaroni fruit salad?
Best taste.
Best taste? Are you sure?
I taken the second time.
Okay, thank you, Dad. Huh?
Okay.
નાખતી વખતે જ મેં કીધેલું. So Bimbo, how you feeling? Is your wife pass or no with this?
Nice. Because last time, our fruit salad, we don't put cheese. And now we put this cheese, yeah?
Cheese.
So this cheese make more taste delicious.
It means I can cook many Filipino dishes, yes?
Gosh, you know so many.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
good.
It's very nice with cheese.
So guys, they all are enjoying.
See, all the bowl is empty.
So, you can have, we have more, I will get it. Alright? So guys, they are enjoying and let's enjoy together. So Pinto, take more. Apu tane le.
No.
કેમ?
I don't eat at home, but I take this 2 times.
2 times. Guys, Bimbo, he tried to say he don't eat sweet at home at all. But today he eat 2 times. So
We avoid sweet.
sweet, but
This
he
time,
he
okay. So
eat 2 times.
Thank you for
Thank you. Look, they are eating. Baby, Kion, you okay? Yummy, finish. More જોઈએ છે? You want more? So guys, Romita Bhabi, we call Bhabi. She's very curious how you make it and how this fruit is work. She said you chop the fresh like fruits. I said, oh, we buy this fruit cocktail. Fruit cocktail is
What are
available.
fruits are there?
Yes. All kind of fruits here like pineapple, apple, cherry, grape. No,
There is
grape.
white thing. I don't know. We call it nata de coco in Philippines.
Yeah.
Is
This
there
white thing.
also over here in
Yeah,
India?
it's already
Yes. So we buy this from Amazon and it is 490 gram and 2 can I think so 500
500
plus
rupees,
something.
yeah.
So you can buy this.
If you want to prepare, this is the secret ingredients.
And it is very easy. Like our Indian recipe, it need too much cooking. But this one is very easy. You have to just add and mix it up there
Yeah,
with.
only this macaroni you have to boil it.
Okay,
Only this
and
is.
how many minutes we should keep in fridge to make?
Even 24 hours, even after 4 hours, you can start to eat.
Yeah, 3 to 4 hours. Once it is cooled down, it is very delicious.
But
As compared to hot one.
even 24 hours in fridge, still you can eat.
Eat it next day. So guys, my family tried this recipe from Philippines, and thank you very much, Bimbo, for introducing this to our family. Macaroni salad, and we like it. So guys, you like it?
I like it very much, and I'm eagerly waiting for the next chance to eat this one the same day.
So you will try at home as well, yeah?
Yes,
Because
I can-
Pinto really like, so you have to cook for Pinto, okay?
I will make a Pinto and invite you.
Yeah, so let's see.
You can try it. And guys, also for Bimbo, Romita Bobby's sister. We call
Yeah,
sister.
and
Because we have similarity.
No, and they both, her maternal side is little bit far,
Yeah.
and Bimbo's side is far as well. So here they call
We can relate each other,
each
our
other.
situation.
Yes, and if they are free, they talk with each other, you know.
we
like
are like
sister.
brother and sister.
But-
Yes.
But we speak in English.
Yes. These brother and sister speak in English, so thank you very much. While you're here, you try our this salad, macaroni salad. Thank you very much for coming. Guys, I'm very happy. Filipino dish I'm introducing here, and to impress my family. And they like it, so I'm very happy. You can suggest, you can comment what else I can introduce to them, yeah, in future, because I'm asking to my viewers. They will just leave the comment and I can introduce you more. So thank you guys for watching Bimbo Corneo vlogs. Please like, share and subscribe, and please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. Have a happy weekend.